Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality equipment that you can trust. Here we have the GMC PBR-55 Power Roll Bender. This unit is one of our best-selling roll benders. This machine is equipped with standard 2-inch diameter rolls that have a 7.5-inch outside diameter and one set of universal combination roll dies. Optional tube dies and pipe dies are available, as well as an optional anti-twisting attachment. It is powered by a 220-volt or 440-volt 3-phase industrial motor and is backed by a 1-year factory warranty. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and have sold thousands of these roll benders that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have on-site factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you'll never have to worry about production downtime. To find out more about this or any of our other products, or to receive a free quote, just give us a call at 909-947-7787. On behalf of GMC Machine Tools, we thank you for watching.